You do realize when my backup get here, Kaido Tenkaichi will be apprehended.
You just mad you got your ass kicked by me. Tenkaichi is mine. If you touch him, I will behead you.
Oh, so you want to be hunted by the government for life, huh?
Kazu, I have Tatsu and the other. Alright. Where's father and the others? Fight and stroke. What the hell? The hell is happening? Looks like Seth got him on the ropes.
Oh no, my precognition. Look out.
Kai-kun!
Yellow Devil. Kill both of them, leave Kaido to me.
Damn! I should have never let my guard down.
No, you don't, Black Push.
Focus, Courtney. You're right.
No, Tenkaichi cannot be allowed to live. Nanobots come to me. I'm gonna blow this bitch up.
Seth, activate your Black Push now.
Black Push.
Kai-kun!
Black Push.
He landed over there. Why is he conducting black electricity? That's new, but I think he's healing himself. Let's buy him time.
Here they come.
I'm gonna need to borrow your sword, Black Bull. Let's go. Let go.
Laser blade. Time to finish off Kaido. Courtney. Seth. Stroke. Die.